All right, so in the other video on expected value, I just said I would go through this example on slide 6 and simulate it. All right. So one of the reasons I'm doing this is I've heard from many of you saying you are generally enjoying distance learning, different aspects of it, videos I'm finding, videos I'm making myself, various notes and bits and pieces that I'm putting up. But the one thing you really, really miss from being in class is the occasional times I will put up a needlessly intricate Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so that's how I'm going to simulate this game in some fairground or whatever. Okay, so I think when I did this by hand, it was €7 was the expected value. So it costs €8 to play. Expected value, so expected winnings are €7. So you wouldn't play. On average, you would expect to lose €1 each time you play this thing. Okay. Now I'm gonna have that table done out here. Your die lands on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Your winnings then are going to double what you land on. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or 12. It costs €8 to play. Your net winnings then -6, -4, -2, 0, +2, or +4. So this here is going to simulate the die rolls. This is going to give me a number between 1 and 6. Winnings then, and this is going to summarize what's happening in the game. So let's say if I play this game 10 times, okay, I've been extremely lucky, okay, and I've ended up €12 up over my 10 plays. So on average, I've actually won €1.20 per game. Okay. And that absolutely can happen. That even with an expected value of -1, you could get lucky and win that if you play it. Okay. So what happened that I rolled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sixes out of 10. So half the time I rolled a 6. Okay. So intuitively we say that's an unusual thing to happen. All right. So what happens maybe if I extend this out and say 100 times? Okay. Well, now, okay, we've lost €74. So on average, we've lost 74 cents. Okay. Still kind of, I'm beating what I'd expect. I'd expect to be losing €1 on average. I'm only losing 74 cents. So I'm beating expectations, but I am €74 down. What if I played around about 1,000 times? Well, now I'm down around about €1,000, so I'm down on average €1 every time. Okay, and that's what I would expect. Okay, in the long run, as I play more and more and more, that average winning might go a little bit above, a little bit below €1, but it will be around about €1 lost each time. So if you play it a lot, you're going to lose a lot of money. If you flip it and think about it from the point of view of whoever is running this game, they are making €1,000. Okay, so for the people playing the game, it doesn't matter if it's someone different playing each time. Okay, they're making on average €1 every time, so they're going to make money. Okay, but that's kind of, like I said, just because the €1 maybe isn't a possible outcome there. It's an average. Your expected value doesn't have to be one of your possible outcomes, but kind of that's where you see it in real life, is if you play the thing over and over and over again and get the average outcome, that should be in and around your expected value. And we see it here if we play it 1,000 times, that my average winnings is quite close to my -€1 expected value.